One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Let's talk about the FTC looking into the surveillance pricing practice. The question is, are they actually going to continue doing this with the new Trump campaign coming in? That's the real question, I think.
Well, yeah, that's the big question, right? Because there's already a new head of the FTC. Lena Khan is gone. I thought she did wonderful things, actually, over the last 4 years. This is not political, so don't get on me on this. Although this comment period is open until April 15th, I think. So I will certainly go comment. There's already 23 comments. We have some folks who are in our driver community who already commented. So please go do so. Just go and comment. This is about surveillance pricing. And, you said about Wendy's and this and that, but there is also a part about gig workers here. They are, talking about algorithmic discrimination here to a point. And so, here's the part that I saw on let's see.
Number 2, as a gig worker employee, have you experienced and or do you think the use of surveillance pricing to set compensation may be happening? For example, where have you experienced or heard that wages change for individual employee or workers? On which platforms, tools, or services have you seen one worker wages or opportunities different from another worker? How do you know? Well, we have proof of that because we have done multiple tests in multiple areas. And yes, we do have that. So dynamic pricing is being looked at across the board beyond just gig worker, but also surge pricing when it comes to, if you go to a website, can it change prices on you? Or if you walk into the store and it scans your eyes and says, oh, I know who you are, kind of like Minority Report, but they'll change the pricing based on several different factors. And so, yeah, they're looking into this, and hopefully they do, because I don't think people should be paying or getting paid differently when it comes to certain factors, because it should be fair market value as is. So I think they'll shoot themselves in the foot if they try doing stuff like this, because like I said, with Wendy's, I said, I like Wendy's, but I won't go there anymore because they even entertained it. So I just go to Five Guys at this point, even though it's more expensive, but it's better. It's better tasting. And I'm to the point where if you're going to provide shitty service, there's no way I'm going to go to support you in any way, shape, or form. I'll go out of my way to not support you at this point. And that's my thoughts.
Yeah, I know. I agree with you. And please, all of you, all the complainers here, right? Complain about, algorithmic discrimination. And, I mean, if you're a rider as well, you're experiencing this. We're going to talk about it in the next couple of segments. Go comment, open, click FTC, go, the link, go put a comment in, put your grievances in there. They are going to be read. They're going to be listened to. I want so Hassan Sabul, can you stick to the end of the show so you can come on to the driver's corner? Because we would really love to talk to you. In fact, maybe we should do a behind the wheel with you. I would really, really love to talk to you because see this I highlighted your couple of your comments or questions. Uber is a scam, this and that. I bet you're still driving, otherwise you wouldn't be here. But I would want to listen to your side of the story. So please stick around. When we put the link up, please come to the driver's corner. Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.